Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. So excuse my hair guys, my hair is so dry. I need to, I think I might have to wash it again because it's been washed for like 2 weeks now, and all I've been doing is putting like conditioner and some oil in there, but I feel like it keeps drying out. So I need to do something with my hair. I need to do something with my hair. I need to do something with my younger daughter here. But it's just been like, one day I have a lot of energy and I can do whatever I want, and then the next day I'm like, oh no, I'm not feeling that today. I just want to relax. Anyhow, I am on my way to Aldi's to pick up a few things that I need. We need bread and banana for sure. I have some banana at home, but I don't like when the banana becomes too ripe. So when they become too ripe, I just have to make some fritters with them, and a few other stuff. I think I need cat food and a few other stuff. This is why I should always make a list, because I always come to the store and overbuy. I also want to buy coconut because I've been feeling like eating some slices. I'm gonna have to get some yeast. Alright guys, I'm about to run into the store. I'm having me some coconut water. I accidentally put some ice in there, which I don't want. And these coconut waters say they're all natural and stuff, but they're so sweet. I don't think coconut water is so sweet. I'm sorry, I had to add water in there, so I have coconut water, half coconut. So annoying. But I heard coconut water is good for breast milk, to produce more breast milk. So hey guys, I'm back from the store and I just want to show you guys what I got from Aldi's. I got me some brioche bun. This week sometime we're gonna make burgers. I got some whole grain 12 grain bread. This bread is so delicious. And I got some avocado, 3 avocados to make avocado toast. Some lettuce for some salad, mushroom, 2 cucumbers, bananas. I got 2 cans of kidney beans, some green onions, and I got some roasted pistachio for my daughter that's doing me like this right now. And then I went to Publix. This was my intention to get plantains, but they look half decent, so let me get 3 of them. I like to just fry or roast plantain. I got the yeast, the red coloring, some ground nutmeg, and coconut. And this was my pissed off moment of the day because it was $3. Remember when I first came to America, coconut was a couple cents. Now $3 for 1 coconut, and it better be good because I'm gonna be pissed off. Because normally you buy them and they're not good. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Guys, it's another day. It's Monday. I finally washed my hair, guys. So I'm just waiting for it to, it's actually dry already. I'm just waiting so I could I'm just gonna twist it up or whatever, because I don't think I have the time to sit down even for 4 hours to braid my own hair. This way I could just braid quarter at a time and just do twists, small twists in my hair. It's Monday, and remember yesterday I was saying that I was gonna make some red belly. But here's the coconut. I'm about to brock it up and get it grayed up and make the red belly. Without further ado, let's get this coconut together. And just like that. No, that's real coconut water. So hey guys, here's the coconut. I'm about to clean it up and grate it so that we could get this red belly on the way. It's been years since I tried to do this. It really is. We got everything that we need for the red filling, the coconut filling. We have coconut, sugar, cinnamon, the red food coloring, and some nutmeg. It's supposed to be clove, but same difference. What are you doing? And some vanilla. For the dough, we have flour, yeast, brown sugar, some vegan butter. We have some coconut milk and salt. We're gonna put this all together. Yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys see me combining all this, and then my daughter will actually do the just to get her involved, I'm gonna let her do the coconut filling. So the dough is kneaded and we have to let it rise for an hour, and now she's gonna do the coconut. So I'm gonna let her actually do everything herself. So you gotta add it, put on the stove, put it on like 4. Alright, add the coconut.
Or just pour
Yeah, pour it in. Don't waste none because we don't have a lot. Alright. Don't do that. Get the spoon and clean it off. Well, so you have to waste it, girl. Alright, add the sugar.
All of it?
Yeah. Then she's gonna add some cinnamon. guys, so that is it. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, that is it. I'm gonna let the dough rise for an hour while that cool down, and meanwhile I'm gonna go and cook some food. I'm gonna make some mushroom and white rice with some plantain for dinner. I don't think this one's gonna eat that, but she's happy to have the red belly. So yeah, let's get into this mushroom. Alright guys, for this recipe we're gonna need oil, tamari or soy sauce. Yeah, I lost the cover. Maple syrup, rice vinegar, onion, garlic, some cornstarch, tomato paste, and we're gonna need some sesame seed as well. So now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my ingredients while this is boiling. So as soon as this is finished boiling, I should be able to have everything ready.
it would look like the long bread.
To be honest, guys, I don't know what they're supposed to do, but I used to see my mom do this. So I'm gonna do it.
That's what she did. She just poked it.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'll show you guys the ending result. Ooh, hope it tastes good. Alright, guys, now we could do a taste test. Excuse me. Whew. This is my actual first time making this, guys, so.
Ooh. That was cool.
Mm.
What?
10 out of 10 we recommend. Yeah, you need to, so. Alright, guys, so right now we're just waiting for the Salara to finish. Red belly is finished. Now it's time to slice and see how it tastes.
Give me the taste one.
Still kind of warm. I'm gonna try to do this like how they do it back home, guys.
Took hours.
It smells so good. It's taste test time. I guess it could have used some more coconut, but I'm fine by that.
They already know.
You guys won't like it.
How do you rate it? To 10.
You're saying that because you don't want us to eat it.
I don't think you guys will like it. I don't think you guys should try it.
Lies.
Give me back.
Come over here so you can see your reaction.
Really? Piece it.
I'm not presentable right now.
Why such a big bite?
Tastes good. It's delicious. It's so good.
Bruh.
Stacy.
She gave me the part with the least amount of coconut. But it's still pretty good.
Tastes really
Yeah,
good.
it's a hit.
It's really good. And I don't eat them like that much.
Guys, I know this video was like choppy because I keep stopping because the baby keep crying, so I had to go take care of the baby. But it's all good now. My slices are ready and it tastes so good. So good.
So good.
So good. So good. Alright, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can each time we upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye.